Hello again, everyone. Today I'm going to bring you the combat knife from Halo Reach. But first and foremost, down below is the creators and their websites. So after the time lapses, maybe a little demonstration, then I'm going to talk about the knife itself and how I put it together and stuff like that. And this is only part one, because part two hopefully will be me painting it. Okay, so without further ado, here's the time lapses. And here's the finished product. There's the knife. Still needs gluing. I Frankensteined it a little bit, thinking that it was stopping me from making it flush, but something with the border here. Probably just gonna have to fill it and glue it. And this came out pretty good, but I had to chop this top off to make it print on my bed, as you saw in the videos. So I cut it once here. Of course, it's gonna have to be filled and sanded more. The blade, I had to cut across here because it wouldn't fit on my bed. And like I said, I Frankensteined that on my own, but I'll fix that later. Now the handle, okay? This piece printed by itself, right? And this piece should have printed by itself. But when I had it this way and printed it, this came out all nasty. So what I had to do was print this up to here, take this piece here, chop it in half, as you can see the seam line, print this going up and down, and this was printed this way. So it's nice and smooth. But like I said, pretty much this has to be glued in, made flush. But I'd like to paint it first. Same thing with this, it's got to be maybe glued again. I did some sanding on it. Some of the ridges, I think, are from my printer, but there's a funny little indentation here on the blade. I don't know if you could see it, almost like it was supposed to be a serrated edge. And I don't know if you can hear that. But on this side, it's nice and smooth, so I don't know. My printer or the file, even though I checked the file, I didn't see any ridges on the file, but anyhow, came out pretty good. I think this was about 4 ounces when I measured it, a little more than 4 ounces in weight. And this was about 6. So all in all, it's about 10 1/4 ounces. I only did this about 5% infill. That's it. I think I did 5% infill on this, and I think I did 0 on this one because of the perimeters I have on it. It was already thick enough. So There's the knife, there's the sheath, the Halo Reach Combat Knife. Till next time, have a good one.